Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to take you through how to actually chat with sellers on Taobao. Subscribe to my channel and also like my channel. Don't forget to leave your comments down there. There are so many problems in making orders from Taobao. Since you are not right there to place your order. Now I'm going to take you through a tutorial on how to actually chat with the sellers, and so that your actual desired and exact preference will be posted to you. So stay tuned and watch out for this video.
Hello guys, I'm back again with another video on how to have a chat with your sellers on Taobao in case you want to make some clarification about some items that you want to buy, or maybe you just want to tell the seller that do this for me, do not use this style system, or anything that you want to tell your seller, you can do it. If you want to tell your seller that he should refund items for you, you can do it. When you are refunding items, you can also tell your seller that he should maybe send his address to you so that you can send items for him. And Taobao has made all that possible. So first of all, let's get started. And if I want to buy any item, assuming I'm going here to buy this item, just some makeup is here, Victoria's Secret. So if I want to ask the seller that maybe is this very good, or is this any question that you want to ask the seller, all you have to do is you open their page here, and first of all I put the item in the cart, 50 mils or 100 mils, 50 mils, and here now as you can see, this is the shop, and this is where you should chat with the seller. So in future, if you want to chat any seller, you look at you see the items and just click on this, and you are chatting with the seller. But first of all, you need to click and download. You need to download this to send you to the download page, and you have to download this first. So when you click on this and you don't have it already on your laptop, they are going to direct you to the download page and follow the instructions to download it. I have it already, so I will just click here, and it sends me to that page here, and I can chat with any seller that I want. Okay, I can also try another seller. um Let me see. I want to try another seller. What approach should I choose here? So let's go into the let's go into the card. So since this seller is not replying, let's try it with this seller and see. Okay, I already had a chat with the seller, and she is telling me to speak Chinese. So I'm here. So I'm coming to speak Chinese. Some can speak English, or you have to translate for them. Um, so going to type Chinese. So I'm just asking whether she has goods or not. And I'm also asking that, can he post it today? Like this. So you have him reply you, and it's not a problem at all. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.